thing Mr. Maf when them person yen come on the center on no the mentalities are make to me cause steady Ghana. Now questions are open no ubet me bisame. They are Miss Medibano so won't be bika now what frame because we say we ni na me no ADD in common. But when him say yen to me start way without I mean how do you call it? The propaganda nature of these opponents we are facing. Okay? Unim say, me call Ghana no, Now me Tennessee say, and this for sure that Edman Crawford na kemu. Na Oma ka say, fair no levy akano. Yes, Mr. Manfo. Yes,
really?
It is true. Yes. We have in Crawford, Yasuma say, I'm telling you, Yantina tax him, na Yanka say, fair ne yatumu because he levy akano. And you know what was scary for me in all of this, Nene say omo ko school krana say be to me truck a cracking kind of say you to me the same propaganda we brew. Now we did this so now would koko execute here. It tells you how your country gradually your mind of thinking outside the box is getting closed. Until very soon, ubi ad ne how ni be better government. So people wouldn't be enthused to fight for themselves to gain anything no more because man Crawford journalists will be say you are entitled to some sort of royalty. Bible cry and yes inside you and I'm a boy. So what is free? There is nothing that you get it free. But you want Crawford, they put that person to school. The parent tries all the neighborhood school baby. One call your money school fees are nowhere near there. And then the life I ever saw. Those people, we have some people who still believe, say, they have become what they have become because of government in power. When the harm now, a man, a brabo boy, and was time where a man is say on Fanco school. Now we got these school fees now one Fanco school, and they're starting a downfall. No, dear Debbie, I buy no what to say no, or no the problem, man. Until America say very soon we shall have a family or we shall have people who are not enthused. What you say? They are not enthused about nothing. So what you say? All their life right now is say, I buy shame. And whenever you begin raising a nation like that, you know you have a big problem because your productivity is going to go down. Now more people will now tend to depend on the government than them themselves going outside to fight for it. And it's really killed my spirit because himself for the first time, yenya aban bi awaba oshe youth agencies all the way to Galamsey yesi enye nti yenja ikra no yesi mu amobeye sa Galamsey no ye free bibi den responsible mining.
Exactly, yeah.
Takwa America. So go get a little knowledge about a Jumanankasa woye den. Oh yeah no. Now with the obetu sa the wutu no krana men fa sam fine enko si nsuo so say udi say nsuo fa pipe etu nsuo no mu fa ko twekọ baabi a obetumi ahoro sa wo Galamsey kon na waye no na gidi a wo gina fa like which government will bring such a direction? Which government will bring such a direction? And you will have almost that direction fight against it because onipa no na ye Galamsey head no politician no na ye Galamsey no big man no na ye Galamsey no akwakotua 1 million ama boys be 100 ne we physical do a onya in just one operation na ya catch you say go out there and say yeah take Galamsey for they are spoiling Galamsey business.
Brother, where I always, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I could actually hear you.
I always say
what you know one Ntasu okura bi mananu and what ya bawra fie and abako wa mean that we kronfo kra wa mean ena omu nyina pacho ye ka se chusumu bi na ombe wia wa kwan na nkape kromfo na akwam de no ha o pe kromfo na nka kwam de no wonu obeku omu no omu ba mu ade pa ebinu so ba man ko fa ma o polipolo tru anu okọ but me de nyansam no ka meyi de wadidi ame peche kono kro ba na krokro nkro timi da eni kum timi fa no ada but there you say a hungry man is an angry man oba ne bofu dada NDC say ye kasika omawia over 5 billion US dollars ye ka ho asem court nti ma memfa allegedly say entato omawia man no a eno ne ye chichi wo ma no mo sa ato ayempia say Commonwealth mumro na ye tata ye nkrofo enti all this say mutsa abaya say sika wina be ko inve ipa ba kufu bi di say the hu bi no bi di NDC is never a trustworthy party mumo mu na opposition tamale enne mahu tamale airport enne mahu tamale airport nti tamale fo se musa akoto line na moto abama NDC a na se bi mo amfa nyansa anto aba ya bia mebo so keta NDC by 8 years ye di akọ parliament age hu sika se yakwa kwesi keta sea defense e pa cho me ne wo kasai insu afa keta fo mo so na mo ye blinded voters amode mo enye fefra mo de maso na to aba kwa hwan ya NDC o se na mpe on se insu afa mo na are ho se omu opposition no omu mu tata aban wote so se onkoye keta sea defense abra mo age hu sika di no manu NDC ene etisade a ade na nyansam no so wo opposition a na otimi a fight them out there keep them in opposition so that you can have development. This is nyansa and the people of Keta mi hwe manim 2024 mi hwe manim 2024 some obey mo be sesam hwe ho wife wo omo ho to ato omo hwe ho wai ho to ato no omo ko to abapa look at how the people of Hawaii and you mama enkwesi saying ya this sabi me sabi me hu se menka another menka I say when it looks like a duck and it walks like a duck and it quacks then it's a duck. Say ade ne said dabu onante te said dabu osu te said dabu dia no ya dabu timi say bi menka say ya di jimi na to abawo so you pese your page is na nsem bi sa be pie because papa nyansafo bi ne man eto etie nyansasem enso ade no said ye se necessary to da bi a na ye de kakra twim said ye se necessary to da bi a na ye de kakra twim why NDC mo jiden wo Ghana for double salary